My name is Russ Stover, and I'm the CEO of Home AV TV and Design. We basically focus on family room makeovers and home tech makeovers. The success we've had reselling and installing Samsung is most evident by the fact that that's the only brand we sell. I know that's a little unusual in a retail store, but we've found that we want to carry what's best for the customer, and Samsung fits the bill. Ingram Micro has really, for us, been a great partner because with their delivery times being so short, it almost allows us to operate just in time. With Ingram Micro in your corner, there's almost no project you can't take on. Samsung has done a great job of innovating and providing new technology solutions, such as the QLED with its super bright picture and HDR allows you to have that amazing contrast ratio, but still have a lot of glare rejection from that bright lit room. Samsung's 8K TVs provide excellent picture quality, and unlike older days where upscaling really didn't mean anything, the AI upscaling that Samsung uses really makes for a spectacular picture. One of the amazing things of the Samsung Frame TV is that it looks so real. I've literally had cable and satellite installers tell me, hey, we can't install the box until you get the TV up, and we have to literally turn it on for them to believe that that was actually a TV. That's amazing technology. With 13,000 home installations over the life of our company, customers trust us to deliver high quality, and Samsung and Ingram Micro help us do that. I encourage installers to get Samsung Authorized through Ingram Micro. It's a great opportunity. I couldn't imagine that we'd be where we are today without that partnership.